What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Fantom. Currently sitting at 260. We're down about 2.2 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.5 billion, 24-hour volume, 723 million. So let's hop into Fantom. Just a quick one today, guys. Not too much has changed, but as you can see here, we're underneath the 1.414 and we're hitting it as resistance. So we may be coming down to our next buy zone here at 234. We had already hit it from our wick. So currently we are sitting in profits. You can enter once again at 234 if you'd like to continue to bring down your average price. If I pop quickly over to the daily time frame, so we're going through that ABC correction. You can see here we broke above the 1.618, we corrected down A, B, C, and the 55 EMA lines up with that previous swing high at 234. We have our bearish divergence on the daily and it's playing out. Now if we do lose 234 as support, do target 202, which is the 1.414 extension. We're underneath the 20 EMA on the dailies, so do watch the 55. We'll line right up with that 234. It does give us a good opportunity to bounce here. Now if Bitcoin decides to be a little bugger and come all the way down here to 58K, that's when I think you're going to see Fantom come down to $2, that $2 range, lose 234 as support, especially if Bitcoin were to break below 58K. But as of right now, we're holding this trend line of support here at 62.4. But we do have a little bit more room to come down on the RSI on the 4 hour for Bitcoin. So not too much new for Fantom. It's healthy that we're going through this correction here. If we look on the weekly, we're overextended from the 20 EMA. So we're allowing the EMAs to catch back up on the weekly, which is really, really healthy for continuation, because if we get too overextended, you go through a harsh correction. So we're just cooling off a little bit before our next leg up, in my opinion. I do think Fantom has a beautiful opportunity to break the 2 extension on this bull run, as the bulls are so strong here, and head up to about $9.93. But our modest prediction for this bull run is at $5.97 for Fantom. All right, guys, if we come down to our buy zone, you can enter once again. If we do lose that level of support, do watch $2. We also have this support coming in at $1.93, which is our next buy zone. If you're dollar cost averaging with spot trading, use equal equity. Each buy zone brings down your average price. If you're using low leverage, you have to double your margin with each buy zone to properly bring down your average price and ride the slingshot back up. That's it for this one, guys. Big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. We have Crow 6%, USDT Tether 12%. They also have their crypto Visa card, cashback, and crypto Spotify, Netflix, Prime for free. They've recently partnered with Brazil. Their Crypto.com card is now available in Brazil, as well as partnered with their Formula One racing. And they have multiple partnerships, guys. They partnered with Matt Damon. They partnered with the UFC, with the NBA. They're growing rapidly. Their native coin, Crow, has been skyrocketing. You receive $25 in their native coin just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, that's it. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.